There we go. Pretty, pretty chickens. Having some nice kale for snack. Yeah. On the left is Miss Jilly. That's our pretty, pretty white girl. She is actually a lavender splash Orpington. She's beautiful. And they hear crows and hawk-like sounds, so they're looking around. They love their kale. Here comes Miss Alfie to the feast. Do we have Miss Whitney on the right? Miss Whitney, she's our black pepper Marin. And Whitney is a beautiful, beautiful girl with black feathers with some green iridescence. And you might even get to see that today because she's got some nice sun on her. I'll turn this over for some more leaves. Just 1 minute, everybody. Here we go. And right in front of us is our lovely little Pippa. She is a Red Ranger. And she is a very, very happy girl, even though she's not had a great time with it. A little bit of frostbite this year. Back up, girls. Come on, let me get your pictures. Don't keep me my fingers. And then Alfie is our lovely coach in here. Isn't she beautiful? She's got great, great, pretty gray markings on her feathers. You keep coming up to my fingers. There's so much over there. What are you doing? You love your kale, don't you? It is yummy, yummy, yummy stuff. And come on, Pip Pip. So we have Alfie, and we have Jilly, the white one, and Whitney's the black one, and Miss Pippa is the red one. Such pretty, pretty girls on a sunny, sunny day. Happy, happy, happy chickens eating their kale. I love my chickens. They are such pretty girls. Very hungry, and they love their good fresh food. It's all right, girls. It's all right. They even found some grass under the snow today, didn't they? Yummy, yummy, yummy. I will see you soon with some more chicken videos for everyone to enjoy. It's so nice to have my phone beep in the middle of a recording. Bye.